Hello everyone. Today we are here to make a discussion on a very common topic. So, before we actually move to the discussion, let's introduce my brother, Gursimran Singh. So, have a few words.
Hello everyone, my name is Gursimran Singh. Yeah, I am his brother actually. So we are here today, gathered up to make a video, to have a discussion on the recent trends, on the current affairs, on the big topic today.
So, the topic that we are going to discuss today is very common for us, especially the Punjabi community. That is, should we move to Canada or should we settle here in India for our future career options? So we see a lot of communities, especially the Punjabi community, people from India and specifically Punjab going to Canada and shifting to other countries, and people also stay here in India. So we are here to make a discussion which is a better alternative for an individual, as if we see from a natural perspective. So what are your views, Simran?
So yeah, I'm gonna speak in the favor that yes, one should travel to abroad, one should go to foreign.
Okay.
Not for higher studies, but yes, to get permanently settled there. It's not only about Canada, it's about all the countries, UK, Australia, Canada, all countries, right? So yeah, first thing is that about safety.
Yeah.
We are living in a country where we aren't safe, in my opinion. Yes, actually, the thing is, you should imagine that can your sister travel from one place to another at the time of night 12 p.m.
Especially in India, I would like to mention it's an issue. It's an issue in India, especially because safety of women. It is not a global but a national issue.
We are not talking about only Punjab, we are talking about all the states. Women are not safe in any state of our country, right? And if we talk about not about safety, any aspect of the economy, India is lagging in that, any type of aspect of the economy. If we talk about safety, if we talk about any type of economic growth, if we talk about GDP, right?
Exactly.
India is lagging in each and every aspect.
Especially if we talk about the financial freedom, people actually want to achieve the financial freedom, and I don't know, it's a myth, but they see that by going to foreign countries or by going abroad, we can actually achieve financial freedom. Now, we don't know whether it is a myth or it is a reality, because no one is stopping you to do a business here in India. No one is actually stopping you. No one is actually in fact, India as a country, it is from an international point of index, if we see, India is ranked 70th, that offers us the ease of doing business.
Another fact that we should not ignore is about the pollution.
Yeah.
Air in India is polluted, water here is polluted, we are disturbed, our climate is also disturbed. So we can't ignore that fact also, right?
However, climate is a global problem, I would like to mention.
Yeah, climate is a global problem. Every country is facing, but I don't think so India is taking any measures to solve that problem, right?
See, the population in this country is huge. So we can't be sure that because of pollution and the environmental situation that is in India, we are leaving a country because of that.
Well, China is having the highest population. Still, I don't think so they are affected too much with the problems with the water pollution, with the air pollution that India is facing.
I know China is at $14 trillion. They have the resources. I suppose 1970s, when India and China as an economy, they were at the same levels, and look at now where the China is and where we are. So I suppose bureaucracy and political interferences, they are actually causing problems here. Now, one negative aspect that I would like to mention here for Canada is when students move to Canada, they actually leave social relationships. Social relationships, that's a big fault here. But what are your views?
I think that's a problem just for 1 to 2 generations.
Probably we can say.
Because we know that how increasingly we are traveling to go abroad. We are traveling to abroad, right, sir?
Absolutely.
How increasingly we are traveling, especially Canada.
Agreed. I agree. Yeah, see, you have to leave your parents. You have to leave your relations. That's what I'm talking about.
But in India, the problems we are facing, I don't think so leaving social relations is a big problem in front of them. That's just a problem for us. That's just a problem for our generation.
I think there is emotional connection, especially in India, because if we talk about abroad, the parents, they just leave their child. You are 18, come on, you have to earn yourself.
But what if the healthcare system is not safe here?
That's another valid point.
You are talking socially. You are talking that we are connected socially with our emotion. We are with our parents.
Our healthcare sector. That is, you can say the size of healthcare sector in billions. It is close to some countries with very less population. And look at the population that we have. That's really a valid point.
Yeah. If I talk about Canada, after getting permanent resident in Canada, you just not have to spend a single penny
Yeah.
For any mishappening, if happens with your family
Absolutely.
mate, you are going to get a free treatment.
You're government insured. You have a lot of
Yeah.
extra features that the government offers.
So I think socially, if we are leaving our parents, our all the relatives, I don't
Yeah.
think so. That's a problem just for 1 or 2 generations. After
Yeah.
that, all the things can satisfy,
So
isn't it?
if we have an option, we can actually move to Canada.
Yeah, actually. Well, these were some main factors one should always keep in mind. Either one should travel,
Exactly.
go abroad for higher studies or not. I think these were one of the major points we have discussed, right?
So we hope you guys liked the video. We hope you guys like the new collaborative video that I made with Gursimran. So a very heartfelt thanks to Gursimran to actually joining with us and making the time valuable. Thank you,
Our
Gursimran.
first video, and thank you too, bro.
Thank you.